Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this so simple, only one row repeating 3D blanket, or what will you want to make with this pattern? You can do that. It's a little thick pattern and a little yarn eater, but so beautiful. It's like looking braids. Look at that. Like it. It's reversible. It's a little elastic, you can see, and I love it. It's so beginner friendly tutorial. If you start to make crochet new, you can make it easily. I use here cotton yarns and 4.5 millimeter hook. Now I will try it different yarn, and again show you 4.5 millimeter hook. You can use also which yarn you want. You can choose your hook, proper hook for that yarn. If you're ready, and also please don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your time and support. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our beautiful new only one row repeating blanket pattern. Let's start to crochet. For this pattern we need multiples of 4 chains. First of all, make a slip knot, then make your chains. Not make so tight, okay, make it loosey a little. 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 and 20. I made a sample for you, so it's enough for me. If you want to make a baby blanket, you need minimum 90 centimeter chains, but be careful about multiples of 4. Yarn over, skip 1 2 3, start from the 4th one, grab your yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, count these 3 chains, your first double, and make a double crochet in every each stitch. Okay, yarn over, insert into the next, grab your yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over, insert into the next, grab your yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2. I will make a double crochet in every each stitch. I made my double crochets. Now chain 3 and turn your work. Count as your first double, and this is side. Yarn over, insert into the second stitch like that as front post. Grab your yarn, pull through 2, hold it 2 loops, yarn over, insert the same stitch as front post, grab your yarn, pull through 2. I have 3 loops. I made a cluster, pull through all together, yarn over, insert into the next one as front post, grab your yarn, pull through 2, yarn over, insert into the same stitch as front post, grab your yarn, pull through 2. I have 3 loops, pull through all together, yarn over, insert my hook, next 2 stitch, back to front, then back, like that, grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, make back post double, yarn over, insert into the next one, and make one more back post double crochet. Now we will make 2 front post clusters. Insert the next stitch, grab my yarn, pull through 2, yarn over, insert into the same, grab my yarn, pull through 2. I have 3 loops, pull through all together, yarn over, next stitch, grab my yarn, pull through 2, yarn over, insert into the same, grab my yarn, pull through 2. I have 3 loops, pull through all together, then make 2 back post, 1 and 2. Again make my clusters as front post, grab my yarn, pull through 2, yarn over, insert into the same as front post, grab my yarn, pull through 2, I have 3 loops, pull through all together, yarn over next stitch again, grab my yarn, pull through 2, yarn over, insert into the same, grab my yarn, pull through 2, I have 3 loops, pull through all together, then make 2 back post, 1 and 2, again make my clusters, 1, insert into the same, 2, pull through all together, yarn over, insert into the next, pull through 2, yarn over, insert into the same, pull through 2, I have 3 loops, pull through all together. Now make 2 back posts, double crochet, 1, next one, back post again, 2. We have here last stitch, make a usual double crochet on it because we start 1 double on the right side, finish with 1 double on the left side. Now we always repeat the same pattern, chain 3 and turn. Look at here, you see these 2 front posts, so you will make here 2 front post clusters, insert the same stitch, grab my yarn, pull through 2, yarn over, make 1 more, pull through 2, I have 3 loops, pull through all together, yarn over, insert into the next, grab my yarn, pull through 2, yarn over, insert into the same, pull through 2, I have 3 loops, pull through all together. Now you see these 2 back, so you will make 2 back posts, 1, next one, the second back post. You see on the front side, make your front post clusters, 1 and 2. I have 3 loops, pull through all together, and make 1 more, pull through 2, and make 1 more, pull through 2. I have 3 loops, pull through all together. You see them back side, make your back posts, you see them on front side, make your front post clusters, pull through 2, make 1 more on the same stitch, pull through 2, pull through 3 loops together, next one, pull through 2, next one, same stitch, sorry, pull through 2, pull through all together. You see back side, these clusters, so you will make here 2 back posts, 1, next stitch, 1. You see on the front side, pull through 2, make 1 more, pull through 2, pull through all together, pull through 2, same stitch, pull through 2, I have 3 loops, pull through all together, and make 2 back posts, 1 and 2. Finish with usual double on the last stitch, 1, 2, 3 chains, and turn your work. That's the pattern. Now you see them on front side and make your front post clusters, 1 on the same stitch, 2, pull through all together, next stitch, pull through 2, same stitch, pull through 2, I have 3 loops, pull through all together. I see them back side, so I will make here 2 back post double crochet, 1 and 2. When you see front side, you will make front post clusters. When you see back side, you will make on them back post double crochet. And this is the reversible, only 1 row repeating pattern. When you make it bigger, it looks like that. I hope you like it. It's so simple and so fast crocheting, but a little yarn eater. I hope you will try. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye.